Hi, I'm Cameron Chai from azom.com, and today I'm speaking to David Beaver from Dotmar Engineering Plastics, and he's the manager of Moulded Products. How are you today, David?
Very well, thanks, Cameron.
Excellent. So, David, what does your division of Dotmar actually do?
It's broken up into two areas. One is injection moulded plastic components, and the other is extruded plastic components. The moulded components are solid shapes, three-dimensional parts, whereas the extrusion products are always single dimension and supplied in long lengths.
Okay, and your actual division actually provides a full range of services all the way through from concept to end product?
Yes, we do. We take a customer's concept, whether it be a sketch or a full drawing, and then we take that through product development, being design of tooling and also selection of raw materials, and we work with the customer to bring that product to full commercialisation.
Okay, and with regards to the materials that you manufacture with and you can advise on, what sort of range do you include?
We break the materials down into three categories. One is commodity materials, which would be polyethylenes, polypropylenes, of that ilk. And then we have engineering materials, which would start from ABSs, acetals, nylons through to your high performance materials, which would be PPS and PEEK materials.
Okay, and you guys can also custom blend materials for different properties by adding different additives and things like that, and obviously colours and things.
Yeah, we start with a base material, usually of a natural colour, which is then used to form products like this. If a customer requires a specific colour, we'll have that material coloured for them, either whatever colour they select. If they require a higher performance than what the material can give in its base format, we can add glass fillers to it, talc fillers, molybdenum disulfide if they want extra lubricants within the material. So we tailor the product really to meet the customer's requirements.
Okay, and you guys can obviously help out with all the tooling, like you were saying, to produce complex shapes with threads and holes in various configurations?
Yeah, quite often a customer will come along with a product which from a design point of view looks great, but from a practicalities point of view can't be moulded. So we'll sit down with those people and then work through the process such that we can effectively produce the product for them and that we can take it to a commercial situation for them.
And as far as manufacturing capabilities, what are the largest products you can manufacture, and what are your manufacturing constraints?
Yep. Injection moulding, we go from a 25-tonne machine, which would produce parts of around about 10 or 15 grams, up to 1,300-tonne machine, which can produce parts around about the sort of 10 kilo mark and around about 1.5 meters by half a metre in size. So it's quite a range of machinery within that product. From the extrusion side, we would go up to products around about 200 millimetres in diameter, and the wall section would vary depending on the customer's requirements.
All right then, David, thanks very much for telling us about your Moulded Products division, and if anybody's got any inquiries from you, they can obviously go to your website.
Absolutely, and make contact with myself, and we're only too happy to work with the customers to reach a satisfactory outcome for them.
All right, thanks very much for your time, David.
It's a pleasure. Thanks, Cameron.